The second important aspect that pencil has teachers and the manufacturer had given to pencil is, unless something comes out of the pencil until the something comes out the wooden casing, it never impacts in the life. Like in wooden casing, unless the lead comes out, it will not have the impact. If you can see, unless write something, it will not have its own value of that lead. Our life is similar. We have the values inside, we have the characters inside, we have n number of values. Unless that good part or good values comes out of your own, you cannot make an impact on self, as well as you cannot make impact on the others whom you are connected with. So it's very important, the second aspects of a life which similar to a pencil and a lead. Unless the good things comes out of from your inside, that will not impact on the others, not even for the self life. So it's always important the what you are or how you look. It's rather than what comes out and express for the others. It's called a value. So for giving that, I always give an example. Thomas Edison was the inventor of century. When he was a small kid and in the school, once teacher gave him a letter, so he ran to house and handed over the letter to his mother. His mother started reading that letter. Tommy, this letter from teacher, okay. She started reading the letter and started crying, tears in her eyes. Tom was looking at his mother. What happened? So mother started reading, your son Tommy is a very intelligent guy. He is outstanding in his studies. He is so intelligent that he is ahead to what teacher teaches. So this school is not enough for him to study, and we as a school management feel you as a mother can only train him much better. So we request you to help your kid educate. Tom was little nervous. After years and decades, when this later, when Thomas Edison's mother was passed away, he was cleaning the house. That time, he suddenly opened the drawer, and that time he got that letter. He started reading that letter, and that letter, he was confused. When he started reading that letter, he started crying. Where the letter was written like, dear madam, your son is a dunce. He is mentally ill. He cannot focus in studies. This school cannot teach him, and we are throwing him out of our school. The moment Thomas Edison read that letter, he was so nervous. He started crying, and underneath he wrote, even though Thomas Edison was a dunce, but he was a great inventor of this century, made by his hero, that's his mother. So important aspect out here is his mother was not having that much of good looking personality. She was not having that much of the skill to talk something. She was not having that much of impact to impress others. But something was important, was some good things which she made Thomas Edison. Because of Thomas, he is the great inventor of a century. So we need to understand what importance is within you and how it impact on others is some positive impacts, like our personality may impress the other person and our values may inspire the others. So same thing when Thomas Edison's mother, she has some positive certain values which has impacted Thomas, he been a great inventor. Tomorrow we may be the good examples. Our values inside, unless it comes out, it cannot motivate, it cannot inspires others. Our external personality may impress others, but our values may inspire them. So it's very important, unless inside comes out, that will not have the impact. So going back, what manufacturer of a pencil say, unless something comes out is a lead, and that lead, unless pencil start writing something, impact cannot be observed. So ladies and gentlemen, it's very important in our regular life, bring all the one which we have the insights, our good, our values, which may impact others. So second and most important, transform the life. Thank you.